where does the money come from? What happens is you trade your labor, mental, emotional, and physical, for money. And then you take that money and you buy the results of the labor of someone else, whether it be at the grocery store or the car dealership or the clothing store. What we do is we trade our labor for money, and then we trade that money for the labor of other people. So if you want to be paid more, promoted faster, or increase your earning ability, you have to increase the value of the work that you do.
Think you need a big salary to get rich, or that saving alone will save you? These are myths keeping you broke. The 1% know the truth. Ray Dalio built a $19 billion empire by busting these lies with principles, not luck. Meet Marcus. At 25, he earned $40,000 a year, living rent-free with his parents. In 2 years, he scaled a side hustle to $6,000 a month and invested $100,000. These 5 money myths are holding you back. Bust them now to build your empire. The first myth is that you need a high income to build wealth. It's a lie. Focus on strategy, not just income, to unlock freedom. If you're on your own, a $60,000 salary, $4,000 a month after taxes, gets eaten by $1,500 rent, $1,000 living, $800 subscriptions and dining, and $400 on impulse buys, leaving $300 to save. Living rent-free with family, earning $30,000 a year, $2,000 a month after taxes, with $200 for a cell phone and basics, you've got $1,800 to work with. For the renter, cut $200 dining, $100 subscriptions, and invest $200 a month in arrived rentals, earning $10 a month in dividends initially, growing to $40 a month in 2 years at 6%. That's $480 per year passive income, a small step to ditching your 9-to-5. Rent-free, invest $1,000 a month in the same rentals, earning $50 a month, $200 a month in 2 years. $2,400 a year to fund your dreams. Start where you are. Discipline builds wealth faster than a raise. The second myth is that saving alone makes you rich. Wrong. Saving is a start, but investing creates growth. Ray Dalio says, success is about principles, not luck. For the renter with $300 a month to save, park $3,000 in an emergency fund. Then invest $200 a month in Yield Street, $15 a month dividends in year 1, $50 per month in year 2, totaling $600 per year passive income. Rent-free with $1,800 a month. Build a $5,000 emergency fund, then invest $1,500 a month, $112 a month in year 1, $375 per month in year 2, totaling $4,500 per year. This is money working for you. Your ticket out of the 9-to-5 in 2 years. Don't just save, grow your money.
When I was getting started at 21, 22 years old, and I had no clue what I was doing, I opened up a mutual fund account. And I started with $100 a month, okay? And I opened up a VUL, and I put $100 a month into it. That's when I was broke. And that money would just go. And then gradually, I would raise it from 100 to 200, to 200 to 300, 300 to 400, $500, $1,000 a month. And then one day you wake up, you're like, wait, I got $360,000 in this account. That's kind of cool. How did this happen?
That's what happened to me.
Yeah.
Great.
I'd always kiss. And then you're like, okay, what can I do with this? And then you get a little bit more and more and more sophisticated.
Ready to bust these myths and build wealth? Smash that like button and subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Let's create your freedom together. The third myth is that side hustles can't replace your job. False. They can, and fast. Start a virtual assisting hustle with a $100 setup. Renters earn $500 a month in 3 months, scaling to $3,000 a month in 18 months, enough to quit your 9-to-5. Rent-free, hit $5,000 a month by reinvesting more, banking $60,000 a year in under 2 years. Some have scaled side hustles to millions in a year. Rare, but possible. Realistically, $5,000 a month in 18 months means freedom from your day job, letting you travel or focus on what you love. Start small, scale fast. Your hustle is your escape.
So the better I get at perceiving what other people value, and the better I get at producing what other people perceive as valuable, and the better I get at presenting what other people perceive as valuable, then the wealthier I become.
The fourth myth is you can't upgrade your income quickly. Wrong. Skills change everything. Take a $500 copywriting course. Renters earn $8,000 a month remotely in 6 months, funding a $2,000 a month side hustle. Rent-free, reinvest $5,000 a month into a print-on-demand hustle, earning $3,000 a month in 6 months, scaling to $7,000 a month in 18 months, $84,000 per year to build your empire. Use $200 a month, renters, or $1,000 a month, rent-free, to invest in Mainvest small businesses, earning $12 a month or $60 a month initially, growing to $40 a month or $200 per month in 2 years. Skills plus hustles mean freedom in under 2 years. Upgrade now. Want more freedom building secrets? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Never miss a step to your empire with Nova Society Finance. The fifth myth is you don't need to protect your wealth early. Dangerous. Marcus, earning $40,000 in 2023, started a pet sitting hustle while rent-free, hitting $6,000 a month in 2 years, $72,000 a year. He invested $2,000 per month in Arrived, earning $100 per month in dividends now, $400 per month in 2 years, $4,800 per year passive income. Renters can start with $200 a month, earning $10 a month now, $40 a month in 2 years. Protect with insurance and LLCs via NerdWallet. One lawsuit can wipe you out. Guard your mindset with journaling. Build a fortress for your future.
I'm closing deals. I'm taking care of my family. I'm trying to get to 10x levels. It's been 30 years. 30 years. It's probably going to be 30 years for you too. Doubt, uncertainty, insecurities, rejection, disappointment, judgment. It's going to be 30 years of it. Are you willing to pay the price? Are you willing to pay the price? If anybody thinks you're going to be successful without paying that price, you're wrong.
Your escape plan to bust these myths. Step 1. Budget ruthlessly. Renters save $300 a month with YNAB. Rent-free, save $1,800 a month. Step 2. Invest early. Renters, put $200 a month in Yield Street, $15 a month in year 1, $50 a month in year 2, totaling $600 per year passive income. Rent-free, invest $1,500 a month, $112 a month in year 1, $375 a month in year 2, totaling $4,500 per year. Step 3, upgrade skills. Take a $500 copywriting course, earning $8,000 a month remotely in 6 months. Fund a $2,000 a month hustle, renters, or $5,000 a month business, rent-free. Step 4, start a side hustle. Both can do virtual assisting, earning $3,000 to $5,000 per month in 18 months, replacing your 9 to 5. Step 5, protect with insurance via NerdWallet. Act now. Freedom in 2 years. I'm grinding with you, busting myths, building freedom one step at a time. Every $200 you invest today pays you $15 a month next year. Small wins that grow into a life without a 9 to 5. If you're rent-free, don't waste this. $5,000 a month in 2 years means quitting your day job before expenses hit. But act now or regret it later. Which myth surprised you? Drop it in the comments with Nova Society Finance. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you. Want to learn more about personal finance and wealth building strategies? Please click on one of the following videos.